salt. Burnout. My boy Certified Salt.
What's up, bro?
He just showed me his truck, guys. About to go in the light. Really badass truck.
So this is what I was talking about, the switches. Turn on ignition. Kind of like a push start, but I guess like it's still a push.
Yeah. So guys, we're about to show him his engine bay. It's really badass. The only titanium, right?
Yeah, the only titanium Silverado in the United States. As of now, that's what we're claiming. Nobody in the world has posted a video on YouTube with the Silverado with the same build. So as of now, we're claiming that, and really like until we get proven wrong and they show us that, hey, we had this before you, then we're gonna stop claiming that. But nobody to this day has told us that thing. Even Freddie yesterday said we're the only ones. So
you were optical. Thomas, what you're at? Optical.
What's up?
Say you're at.
Optical JR with a dash.
Sir.
I lost my old Instagram, bro.
Badass Cosmos. Badass truck. Right now he's about to show us everything he's done to it. Badass bubble light. I never thought I'd be doing these collabs, guys. This is great. What year is it, Way?
It's 18.
18, guys. Badass truck, man. Right now he's about to tell us what he's done to it. Let's get it.
The whole platinum clone. Like he's got the platinum grill, the platinum tailgate. I don't know if you've seen that. And then I got platinum seats. I don't know. Here, let me show you. It's just a little dirty right now.
So like a platinum clone?
Yeah.
I always wanted one, bro.
Yeah.
Badass truck, guys. And you said in the rear you got what?
I got that.
Oh, that's bad. You got it like that or what? You just added the wheels?
Yeah, well, whenever I bought it, it had a slight drop. It was already a platinum clone. They'd already had the tailgate, the front, and then the seats. And I dropped it more, and I've done a couple of other little things to it, you know, just to keep it going.
Performance
I got it with
stock?
Yeah, it's all stock. It's all stock. I got it with 5,000 miles, and I think right now I'm at like 30.
Oh yeah.
Eventually, though, I'll probably end up bagging it. I'll probably do that like here in a month or two.
Oh yeah.
I'll probably end up bagging it and, you know, get it ready.
Badass truck, guys. We're doing a shots by the show. The truck is badass, man. 90K over in this truck. Stepped on a beer can, but you can see badass. JR Fab did the welding. Badass truck, guys.
So, like what I was saying earlier is basically the truck got about 90K into it, about 4.5 dogs, 5.5 dogs, something like that, somewhere around there. But it's the only Silverado in the United States with full titanium twin turbo. I don't know if there's even any with any kind of titanium on it, but for sure I'm the only one with full everybody thinks it's useless, but it has a different tone to it. It looks super clean. The way JR left it, like it's immaculate. Like nobody here. Let me give you some lighting on that.
Lead on this side.
Nobody can show you the same setup right now. I don't even think there's any other truck over here, different Dodge or Ford that has titanium.
You want to tell them how much you spent just on piping?
Just the piping alone was 15K.
Top dollar, guys.
Yeah, 15K.
You did that as well?
Yeah, this one actually I bought it from Caesar from Horsepower Factor or House of my boy JR. Hey JR.
¿Cómo fue?
¿Cómo anda?
¿Cómo anda?
Explíqueles usted mejor lo del titanium. ¿Qué?
El Titanium fue todo los downpipes, el cold side, todo lo que hicimos, lo que hizo el compadre Saúl de pie cuts. O sea, todas pie cuts, no hay ningún 90, ningún 45, todo es pie cut, todo
custom.
Todo custom. Las clampas son Vibrant, Banding clamps, todo también. Le pusimos un custom intercooler, son dos pegados. Tiene un intercooler como para 1500 caballos ahí.
Sí.
That color's badass.
Todo un buen ratito, pero quedó al cienazo.
Y a todos los deja con la boca abierta. En donde quiera que me fui hoy, cuando venía atrás de correrla, todos se quedaban como que ¿qué chingados trae ahí?
You can see it from the stands.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can?
I got a video, I'll send it to you.
Se mira bonita la wea. ¿Cómo te fue?
Ya la hallé, me enseñó. El de la Sancha es el último dueño de ella.
Okay.
Lo que me estaba explicando es que la pusiera en neutral cuando va a estar ahí en la primer luz. Le dé tres buenos gas y luego le presiona al brake y luego ahora sí drive. Y le suelta un poquito para que se adelante, pero ahora sí va a tener suficiente freno porque el problema es que la última carrera se me fue un poquito para enfrente, bro, porque no traía suficiente freno y no sirvió. Pero ahora sí ya sé cómo hacerle. Le voy a soltar todo el boost ahorita. Voy a hacer a ver si alguien me hace un grudge match para yo calarla bien.
And this truck was moving, guys, only on 6 pounds.
Yeah, on 6 pounds.
And this truck was flying. I'll put a video.
No le alcancé a meter nada más.
6 pounds, no, me le di un poquito.
Y sí se avienta, ¿eh? Sí. Y eso que me estoy yendo sin el two-step. Ahorita que me estaba aventando ya con two-step, no hombre, es otro pedo, la troca se va.
Yo sé.
Yeah, so sin el two-step es real laggy. Con el two-step es a whole different story.
Las salidas no las hacías con two-step.
No, hombre,
nada.
Ninguna, porque no pude, me patinaba. Ahorita ya, cuando allá atrás, nos fuimos allá atrás, él trae el video. Le presioné al gas en neutral, luego lo metí en drive y ya two-step, y se va la pinche troca como bala. Desgraciada que se siente. Y quemando llanta, imagínense si no estuviera quemando en la pista. Y eso con 6 libras.
Ojalá que haga un pasito.
Yo creo que si corre 6.5, si le hago que haga el two-step, si corre 6.7 a lo menos, con 6 libras. Ya con full boost, como traigo buena suspensión, un 580, 550 si le saco. Va a estar bueno.